What the heck? New SVA?
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until midnight Monday.
What?
This watch includes the following county: Perry, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is...
Hey guys, it's JW Tish here, and I'm out here at my garden, and randomly by surprise we were just issued a severe thunderstorm watch. We are under a slight risk today, but I really was not expecting anything, so I was kind of shocked when they issued a severe thunderstorm watch. And skies are clearing. It's still pretty cloudy, but the humidity is there, and we're looking at about, over my region, about a maximum of 25,000, or not, oh my gosh, 25,000, no, 2,500 kilojoules of CAPE, and yeah, it's not impressive, nothing too crazy, but there were certain areas over Champaign County that were showing about 3,300, so that's interesting. But yeah, it's pretty cloudy, but at the same time the sun is out and my scroll is not working. Okay, but yeah, we just got an SVA. There are severe thunderstorms popping up all over the place right now, just little isolated supercells, which haven't shown to be tornadic, but you know, there could be a little spin up, possible TOR, but kind of doubting it. So yep, we'll see what happens. This was random. Okay.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening.
Another warning.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morrow County, southwestern Knox County until 6 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delaware, moving at 35 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
60 miles an hour wind gusts and
For
quarter-sized
Indianapolis.
hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Centerburg, Ashley, Sparta, and Marengo. Now here is the official national...
Hmm.
This is NAWX Columbus Weather. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County and southeastern Union County. This is until 5:30 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Delaware, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dublin, Delaware, Marysville, Powell, Sunbury, Ashley, New California, Radnor, Shawnee Hills, Galena, Ostrander, Magnetic Springs, Allen Creek State Park, Delaware State Park, Olive Green, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Warrensburg, Kilbourne, Columbus Zoo and Lewis Center. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 126 and 138. Now here is the...
So a lot of this stuff that we're currently getting right now, as you can see, it is fizzled out. But like at the same time, there's this big line right here. Yeah, like that doesn't look too good. But yeah, there's like SVRs surrounding all of it, so we'll see what happens when it gets here.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pike County, Scioto County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Lucasville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Wheelersburg, New Boston, Piketon, South Webster, Rosemount, Clarktown, Lucasville, Sciotadale, Beaver, Rawdon, Otway, Wakefield, Minford, Sciotaville, Givens, Friendship, McDermott, Mountjoy and Bear Creek. Now here is the official...
Alrighty guys, these storms have just been firing up like crazy left and right. We're looking at some intense wind gusts, some pretty decent sized hail. We have an observed severe thunderstorm warning issued for Delaware County. And we got this guy right here, which looks to be heading up my way. I don't know what this one is, but I'm assuming it'll be... there goes the cows. And here comes Banks. I'm assuming it'll get an SVR sooner or later. Oh my gosh, Banks, really? What are you doing? He is a big goofball. No, stop. Alright, it just keeps getting closer and closer. These straight line wind gusts are getting really bad, and I could see a possible, I could see that sort of folding on into itself and maybe has, I can't speak, maybe causing a little spin up, but I'm not terribly sure. But these SVRs are being sent out left and right, and as you can see, it is very bright outside. It is very sunny. It's still overcast, but dude, it's bright. It's really bright, so we'll see what happens by the time it gets here, but wow. Wow. Yeah. Pretty crazy. I think I can hear the rain. Just out here enjoying a protein bar. Oh, hey, Mom.
Oh, hi, baby. What did you sneak in?
Oh, I'm just watching this thing come in.
Yeah, I walked out and listened to the thunder, and it was right above me, so I was like, they're going inside.
Yeah, it's a coming. I can hear it too.
Gosh,
Sounds like a jet.
look at it.
Mm-hmm.
I swear most times I always hear a jet when a storm is coming in. It's like, oh,
I see it way off in the fields. Yeah, I know.
that's going to have wind like crazy.
Mm-hmm. And I'm walking right in as soon as this gust front comes through. Yep. There's lightning. Come on, Binks. Oh, it's bad. SVR for Licking County. Yep. Alright. Well, I can't see the trees over there, so I think I'm gonna head in. Oh, another one?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Knox County until 10:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.0 and 3.0 inches of rain
Darn,
have
dude.
fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Centerburg, Danville, Martinsburg, Dan, North Liberty, and Bladensburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Delaware County, Licking County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Upper Arlington, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source: radar indicates.
Not expected.
Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Pickerington, Worthington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, and Hebron. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 94 and 131.
At AWS Columbus weather.
Mile markers 100 and 125. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight,
So they're activating again.
File 5 closed.